Let me give a brief information about my profile. Okay. Myself is Suresh. Okay. Having 11 years of IT experience, which includes manual testing and automation testing. I have been work for a couple of MNC companies. I work for Accenture. I've been work for Symphony Services and have been work for iGate. I've been working for Capgemini. Okay. So currently I was in the position of senior manager role for one of the MNC company here. Okay. As well as, okay. And at the same time, I got in a very good experience in getting taking with, right? So we got in a very good experience in getting taking with the trainings also. I got in a huge experience in getting providing. Sorry. I got in a good experience in getting providing uh, offline trainings and then online trainings and then corporate trainings here. Okay. I was parallelly managing with the both the things. I was working as a senior test manager and parallelly I used to be taking with this training programs also. Okay. Basically, I was passed out in 2006. Okay. My education is I was passed out in 2006 in BTech in computer science branch. Okay. From 2007, I have been started my career. From 2007, I was into the testing platform here. Okay, that's the basic information about my profile. Okay, right. So the today's session is, so what exactly the objective of the today's session is? I want to be provided with the information for the people and getting understanding about the role of software tester. Like most of the people or most of the students, right? Most of the people will have in some little bit confusion in getting choosing their career, either need to be get start as a developer or need to be get start as a tester, right? So most of the people will be having in a confusion or they will be in a confusion mode in getting decided either it's need to be get take with the developer role or tester role. Okay, so that I want to be get given a clear information how you need to be get choose your career as a developer or a tester, and at the same time will get understand about what exactly mean by the software testing and how the software testing industry will be there, will get understand about all the details here. Okay, right. Guys, everyone make sure that your speaker is in mute. By that other people will not be having any disturbance. Anything you want to be speak with me, okay? Anything you want to be get speak with me, just okay, right. Anything you guys want to be speak with me, you can ping me in the chat window. Okay, just you can ping me in the chat window. And you guys need to be get used with the headphones. Try to use with the headphones. By that the voice will be very clear for all the people. Okay, try to use with the headphones. By that the voice will be very clear. Okay, right. Let's get started. Yeah, we done by default mute only, by default mute only, because we should not have any disturbance in the session. That is the reason by default we kept as a mute only. Anything need to be speak it, you can ping in the chat window, and at the end of the session, I'll give an option to speak also. Okay, don't worry. Yeah. Right, let's get started then. Now, the very first concept whenever we are getting talking about with the IT industry, right? So nowadays, the whole people is getting talking about with the IT industries, right? Now, if I'm taking with the IT industry, the very first terminology, right? Whenever the people are talking about with the IT industry, the very first terminology need to be get understand that what exactly mean by software, right? Always the people will be talking about software. So what exactly meaning of software? Can you guys, anyone ping me what is mean by software? According to your understanding, what is mean by software? Mhm. According to your understanding, what is mean by software? Collection of programs, set of programs, collection of programs, internet working or applications. Perfect. Applications which make works easy, collection of data, machine language, set of instructions. Perfect. Very perfect. Right. Let's see that. Let me take a very simple understanding. Right. Let me take with a very simple understanding. Now, we guys are able to communicate together. That means as a human beings, right? As a human beings, we are able to communicate together with the help of language, right? For now, we are taking with the help of English and then communicating it. That means whenever you require a communication between two persons, right? When you're taking with the communication between two persons, we are taking with the help of the language. It may be any language based on the human beings, right? That means if I want to be communicate with the human beings, we are taking with the help of one particular language. But now the requirement is rather than communicating with the human beings, I want to be communicate with the system, right? I want to be get communicate with laptop, or I want to be get communicate with the mobile. Nowadays, all the people has been becoming a very busy with the mobiles, right? Almost the whole day spending with the mobile here, right? Now, my question is, assume that when you guys are purchasing any laptop, assume that you are purchasing a new laptop, or when you guys are purchasing any mobile, if you purchase the mobile or if you are buying in a laptop without having any operating system, assume that you're buying in a laptop. When you're buying with the laptop, there is no operating system in the laptop. Then is there any use of that? If you guys are buying any laptop or any mobile without having any operating system, is there any use of that? Is there any use of that? No, not at all, right? If you're purchasing in a laptop by having high configuration with 1 lakh amount also, there is no use of that. Because if you want to be communicate with that particular laptop or particular mobile, at any cost, you require a software. Nothing but specifically we are calling as a operating system. But in general, we can consider that is also one particular software. That means what I'm trying to get explain is, if you want to be communicate with the human beings, we require in a one language. In a similar manner, If you want to be get communicate with any devices, we require in a one particular software. Like it may be mobile, it may be TV, or it may be laptop. Anything you require in a one software. But that particular software is not like just provided by writing one program. It's not like just you will write some 5 lines of program and you can say that whole software completed. That it will never possible. We need to be write multiple programs. Okay, we need to be get right multiple programs. We need to be combined. We need to be integrate all the programs and will get designed as a one software, right? We have to be write multiple programs. We need to be combine that programs, and then we need to be get designed as a one software. That means in common, if I'm taking with the software, always we used to, right? Always right. Always we used to be mentioning the set of programs. I mean, when you're combining all the programs, that we can consider one particular software, right? So that is the reason in common, if you guys are asking for anyone in a general format, what is mean by software? We can say that set of programs or set of instructions. Okay, so that is considering in a software. Okay, now we guys required in a software. Now assume that if I'm taking with the very general questions, right? If I'm taking with a very general question, assume that you guys want to be purchasing a mobile. If you guys want to be purchasing a mobile, where you will be purchasing? Assume that you guys want to be purchasing a mobile, where you will be purchasing. Now, if you want to be purchasing a mobile, where you will be purchasing? Right, either you will be going for mobile shop or you will be going to the online shop. Perfect. Now assume that you want to be purchasing a vehicle. Assume that your target or your dream is to purchase a BMW car. So if you want to be purchasing a BMW car, where you will be purchasing? Your requirement is need to be purchasing a BMW car, where you will be purchasing. To purchase BMW car, you doesn't require to go for America, right? Your requirement is need to be get purchase in a car. It may be BMW or your own favorite cars. So where you will be purchasing? Showrooms. Very perfect. Right. Very perfect. Very perfect. Now, see the very simple understanding. You guys want to be purchasing a mobile. You're going to mobile showroom, and you want to be get purchasing a vehicle. You're going for vehicle showroom. Nothing but you will be going for car showroom, and then you will be purchasing a car. Now the requirement is you have to be purchased in a software. Now the requirement is you required in a software. Then where you will purchase the software? If you required in a mobile, you are going for mobile showroom. If you required in a vehicle, you are going for car showroom. Now the requirement is you want to be purchased in a software. So where you will purchase the software? Where you will purchase the software? Perfect. Service providers, nothing but Play Stores, okay, or company, online. Very perfect, very perfect. Right. In a very simple understanding, you have to be visit an IT company. In case of very normal softwares, just in the Play Store or from online, you will be purchasing it. But if you require any software for your business, assume that you are running some banking related business. Just 1 second, guys. Right. So you have been required in a banking business, or you are getting running, right? You are getting running some management business, any kind of businesses you are running. For your business required in a software, right? So if you required in a business, if you required in a business for the software, we cannot get it ready-made. Right? So for that, what need to be does? For that, what need to be does? We need to be get visit. We need to be get visit IT companies, right? So now see the simple understanding. Whenever you have been required any kind of software, whenever you require any kind of software, we need to be get visit IT companies. If I'm taking with the IT companies, the role of IT company is to develop any software. Okay, your requirement is to have any software. You have to visit with the IT companies. IT companies will be getting developing a software here, right? Now, whenever any kind of IT company, it may be level 0 company, level 5 company, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Any kind of IT companies, any kind of IT companies, if they want to be developed, if they want to be get develop in a software, any IT companies, if they want to be develop any kind of software, they need to be follow the process of SDLC. Okay, any IT companies to develop a software, they need to be follow the process of SDLC. It may be small software, it may be complex softwares, it may be mobile related software, it may be particular app. Anything need to be developed, they need to be follow the process of SDLC, which need to be get mentioning the software development life cycle. Very perfect. Software development life cycle. Okay, software development life cycle. So as part of SDLC, what are the steps need to be done? The very first step need to be mentioning the requirements gathering. That means what IT companies will be doing is, if they want to be developing a software, first from the customer, they will be gathering all the requirements. Okay, so they will be gathering all the requirements, right? Once they gather all the requirements, and the next step need to be take a requirement analysis. Okay, so first is requirements gathering, another one is requirement analysis, and after that it will be taking with the design. Once design has been completed, then it will be coming to coding. Once coding completed, then you will be taking with testing. Once testing has been completed, then it has to be get moved into live environment or production, right? So this is what which, okay, this is what, right? So this is what we need to be get mentioning about taking with SDLC, right? So any of the IT companies, it may be level 5 companies, okay, it may be level 5, level 4, level 3, level 1, level 0. Any MNC companies, okay, or any kind of companies, any kind of companies, any kind of the software, if they want to be developing a software, need to be follow the process of SDLC. If I'm taking with the SDLC, as part of SDLC, these particular steps need to be followed. Now, all these particular steps will not be involved or will not be completed by one particular person. That means only one particular guy cannot complete with the whole process of SDLC. Now we can understand how different jobs has been created in the IT market. If I'm taking requirements gathering, requirement analysis, and then design, these particular three things will be performed by the role of BA, mentioning the business analyst, SME, mentioning the subject matter experts. I mean, assume that you are in a very fresher level. You were recently passed out of 2020 or 2019 or 2018. The people who are in fresher level, okay, the people who are in fresher level cannot involve in playing the role of BA. Okay, BA means business analyst. SME means subject matter experts. These particular role will be done by who gotten a more experience in the IT industry. Like in a worst cases, minimum of 5 years or 8 years. Just minimum of 5 years or 8 years in the IT industry. Those people can easily playing with the role of BA or SME. That means anyone as a fresher level, you cannot involve in playing with the role of BA or SME. That means the first understanding is any of the people cannot start their career as a BA with fresher level, or just having experience of 2 to 3 years also, we cannot play that role. This role has been done by the higher level people who gotten a more experience in the IT industry. And after that, okay, after that, it will be coming into the next level, which it will be taking with the two things that it will be taking with coding, and then it will be taking with the testing. Okay, so now up to design, any one of the people as a fresher level, we cannot involve on it. Next, it will come to the coding. So when it's come to the coding, when it is coming into the coding part, lot of things will get involved in the programming. If we take with the coding, coding is nothing but doing with the programming. The people who are very much interested, in doing with the programming, nothing but writing with the code, comfortable in writing with the code, interested in writing the code, those people can very easily start their career as a developer. Okay, so the very simple understanding. Don't get confused at all to choose your career. the people who are comfortable or very much interested in getting doing with the coding, then you can think about to start your career as a programmer, nothing but as a developer. We used to be called as a developer. In that lot of training programs are there, like Java, different programming, Python, different programming, .NET, different programming. So there are a lot of roles are there. Even SAP, different programming, C++ also. There are a lot of things are there in the programming. Okay. So the people who are very much interested, okay, the people who are very much interested in the programming, we can learn with the pure Java. In Java, core Java will be there, advanced Java will be there. Python also, basic level, advanced level. .NET also, we got in a different level programming. SAP, we got in a different modules, right? So the people who are comfortable in the programming, you guys can choose your career as a developer. But not like only one particular person cannot work on Java, cannot work on Python, cannot work on .NET. Most of the time, the people will be in confusion in getting doing all the courses. Like the people will do Java course, Python course, .NET course, whatever the courses are available, they will be trying in getting completing all the course. Completing with all the courses, there is no use of that. First, be very clear what you have to be started, either Java or Python or .NET or SAP. Okay, so then you can decide which one need to be get start as your career. Then you can do that particular training, then spend with the correct time in that particular training program. Then you can start your job search activities here. Okay, so in common, we got only two things in IT industry very regularly. Okay, either need to be take with the programming. Another one is need to be take with the testing. Okay, so the people who are comfortable, and interested doing with the programming, choose a career as a developer. Other than that, the people who are not comfortable, in getting doing with the programming, not interested in doing with the programming. Okay, those guys can choose your career as a tester. The tester also, we are talking about software testing. We are not talking about hardware testing. There is no concept of hardware testing here. We are talking about with the software testing. So the people who are not very comfortable, in getting, okay, sorry, the people who are not comfortable in the programming, not interested in the coding, or the people who are very new to the software, or sometimes the people will be having some gaps will be there. Like you may passed out in 2012 or 2013, 2014, or some people will be already doing some other non-IT jobs, interested in get starting their career in the IT industry. Those people can easily choose your career as a software tester. Because if I'm taking with the software testing is one of the very easiest course when you compare many other courses here. Because we used to be have just interest in getting doing with the course, you doesn't require more programming knowledge, or it doesn't require more coding knowledge in getting doing with software testing. If you want to be given a very clear picture, how the roles will be done for the software testing and then taking with the developer. Just I will give a brief information how it will be done as a developer tester. You can look into this diagram very easily. You guys can understand about what is developer and what is tester, right? So if I'm taking with the developer always thinking about how we can make the software, right? As a developer, we need to be think about how to make any software by writing with the programming, by writing with the coding and everything. As a tester, we need to be think about how to break that software. Okay, as a tester, we need to be think about how to break the software. If we take the very simple understanding, if we take with the very simple understanding, anything you want to be construct, little bit difficult, but anything you want to be break it, always very easy. The very simple understanding. Anything you want to be construct, always it is difficult, but if you want to be break it, it will be very easy. Right? So if you take with the testing also, testing is you are breaking it, breaking the system. You are thinking about how to break the system, always it will be very easy. So that is how we used to be say that testing is very easy here. Okay, so still, if you want to be given a more details in getting comparing these two things, developer and tester, you can see here. If you are thinking about as a developer, if you think about developer, developer required any programming skills. Developer has been required any programming skills and need to be get writing with the code. Okay, so if you're thinking about with the job, little bit difficult. I'm not saying that you cannot get any job. When I'm comparing as a tester, little bit difficult to get any job. Okay, and developer is related to specific technology, because if you are decided Java, you need to be go as a Java developer. Your career continuously going with the Java only. If you decided taking with the .NET, it will be going with the .NET only. If you decided SAP, your career will be continued with the SAP only. Okay, that means you have been restricted to that particular technology. Always Java developer purely with the Java. .NET developer purely with the .NET. You guys can cross-check with any of your friends who are already working in the development. If you ask any person, they will be saying that I'm a Java developer, or I'm a SAP developer, or I'm a .NET developer. They're restricted to that particular technology. That means if I'm talking about with the job openings, the people who are doing with the Java training, those guys need to be attend with the only Java interviews. The people who are learning with the .NET, those people need to be get attend only .NET related interviews here. And if I'm taking with the degrees also, the people has mandatory need to be having some professional degree. Okay, and if I'm taking with the course duration also, in general, the course duration, if we take Java, .NET or anything, minimum it will be taking 4 months or 5 to 6 months of time it will be taking to complete your whole training program as a developer. When it's come to the testing, you can see, if I'm taking with the testing, what exactly mean by testing? Okay, what exactly mean by testing is the very simple understanding. We can say that testing any application, based on client requirements. Testing means testing any application based on client requirements. So you are not testing by your talent, or you are not applying your BTech talent also. Client is clearly mentioning that what need to be tested based on the client requirement. You need to be test that application. Like whether that page is displaying or not, text box is available or not, button is available or not, login functionality working or not, logout functionality working or not. Each and every functionality need to be get tested. So that's the role of the tester. So very easy. So just what you have to do as a tester, you need to be get understand the client requirement. Nothing but application requirement. So you doesn't require any programming, you doesn't require any coding. Very easily you can understand the requirement, you can start it with the testing. And getting any job is also very easy. When I'm comparing with the developer, getting any job as a tester will be the very easy. The reason why I'm saying that very easy is there is no concept of programming will not be there. Just if you do the training program in a very perfect manner, very easily you can crack the interview. Okay, and if I'm taking with the testing, testing is not like related to any specific technology. See the understanding. Testing is not like related to any specific technology. If the application got developed in Java, it will follow the same testing concepts. If application developed in .NET, it will follow the same testing concepts. If application developed in SAP, it will follow the same testing concepts. So it may be Java, it may be .NET, it may be Python, it may be SAP, any technology, your testing concepts will be the same here. Right. And if I'm taking with the testing job, most of the time the people will be having a confusion like testing job means it is temporary job. In future, you will not be having testing job. It's not like that. There is no concept at all. Let me take best example. I have been done my testing program in 2006. When I'm doing my testing course, all the people, even my friends has been suggested, testing you will not be having very good market. Why you are doing with the testing course? But once I completed my testing course in 2006, I started my job in 2007. Till now, I'm continuing my career as a tester only. So there is no concept of testing jobs will not be there. Unless you guys are getting retired in the IT industry, you got a possibility to get continue in the testing. There are different roles are there. I'll talk about in detail about testing roles also. There are different type of testing roles are there. Unless you are getting retired in the IT industry, you got a possibility in getting continuing on the testing only. Okay, so because testing is not like related to any one particular technology, so any kind of Java applications require testing, .NET applications require testing, and the SAP applications require the testing. So here you can see the simple understanding. Java developer is purely taking care about only Java activities. But as a tester, we are comfortable in testing Java related application, .NET related application, SAP related application. Any kind of application, our testing concepts will be the same here. Okay. And for doing this testing training program or for doing with the testing job, it's not like mandatory you have to be do the BTech and a BTech in IT or CSC. Any degree is okay. Any normal degree is also okay. You doesn't require to do only professional degree only. Any normal degree is also okay. It may be IT, it may be non-IT, doesn't make any problem. The people who are interested to start their career as a tester, very easily you can start thinking about for testing part. Okay, so to become a tester or to get a job in a testing, just you required a confidence. Confidence has been required, and then communication skills. Not like huge communication skills, very normal. Just if you're comfortable in speaking in English, that is more enough. Not like high-end communication. Okay, and now if we compare this testing training program also, maximum of 2 months. In case of developer, almost you are spending 4 to 5 months. But if I'm taking with the testing program, hardly within 2 months, you can complete it. By the time of developer is completing his total training program as a tester, 2 months is your training program. The next 2 months will be the grace period for getting in a job. Within 4 months, your life will get settled. Right? So this is how you will be having with the comparison for developer and tester. Just I'm trying to give an overview how the testing market will be there, and then how this particular testing market will be there. Okay, right. So if I'm taking whether the tester can test any kind of technologies, because we are talking about software testing, we got any comfortable in getting testing any of the applications here. Okay, right. So this the major difference between developer and the tester here. So based on your comfortable, you guys can understand that how your career need to be got here. Okay, right. So let me give some more information on the testing. Let me give some more information about my training program. Basically, I will be taking care about. I will be taking care about with the software testing. I will be taking care about with the software testing. As part of software testing, you guys will be getting trained on two things here. One is manual testing. Another one is automation testing. I mean, in the software testing, it got divided into two types here. One is manual testing and another one is automation testing. Manual testing means we have to be done by human interaction. Okay, manual testing means done by human interaction. Like we guys need to be get open with the application, we need to be enter the data, we need to be enter the username, we need to be enter the password. Everything need to be done by human interaction. Automation testing means done by the tools here. There are multiple tools are there. The current market is going with the Selenium. As part of the training program, I will be giving with the training on Selenium because the current market is going with the Selenium. Okay, so as a tester, if you want to be getting a job very easily, if you want to be survive in the testing market, you need to be get comfortable in getting learning with manual testing and automation testing. Sometimes the people will confusion in learning only manual testing, only automation testing. It will not be comfortable to get in a job. Always you need to be get comfortable. Always need to be get comfortable in getting learning with the manual testing and then automation testing. Then it will become in a very easy to get any job and then to get survive any jobs here. Okay, right. If I'm talking about the salary wise, if I'm talking about with the salary wise, yes, I can say that salary will be the low for the tester, but not for the current market. Before 5 years, before 5 to 8 years, if you take with the IT market of before 5 to 8 years, for the testers, we got an less salaries. The reason is before 8 years, we got in a market only for manual testing. Manual testing is very easy to do it. So because of that reason, we got in a very less salaries. But the last from 5 years, we got in a huge market for the automation testing. Once automation testing has been came into the picture, we got in a very good salaries. Nowadays, the testers are getting with the salaries more than developers, not like equal to developer. Testers are getting with the more than developers. But you need to be very comfortable with automation testing, then you can demand more salaries here. Okay, so that is we have in a good market. Salary wise, we got in a very good salaries, but you guys need to be very comfortable with automation testing, then you can demand for the more salaries here. Okay, so whenever anyone doing with the software testing training program, remember that you guys need to be comfortable with manual testing and automation testing, then only it will become in a very easy to get in a job and then to get survive in a job. Let me give a brief information about all these particular things. Okay, if you take with the software testing, I used to be mentioning that testing an application based on client requirements. Right? Testing an application based on client requirements. Or we can say that it is in a process. Right? It is in a process of identifying the bugs in the application. Okay. Right. So if I'm taking with the testing, we used to be mentioning that testing an application based on the client requirement. So you're not doing any new things. Just you have to be identify some bugs or you have to be identify some defects in the application. So why we require the testing for the current market? Why we require the testing for the current market? Okay. So the reason we require with the testing for the current market is because of the cost effective. Because any defect, any bug has been identified, after the development, after the releasing with the software, need to be done lot of rework. Okay, need to be done with the lot of rework, and then need to be take with the lot of budget also. Further, if you're doing with the testing in a very effective manner, we can reduce the cost also, and we can provide quality, we can give the quality software, we can provide quality product, and customer will be very happy, because if you're giving with the quality of the software, the customer will be very happy here. Okay, so there's a need of software testing. Why we need to be learn the testing? Specifically, why we need to be learn the testing? You can see here. If I'm taking with the software testing job, it's just to find any defects or nothing, but we need to be find with the bugs in the application. And nowadays the software testing, we got in a huge demand also, and we got in a very good pay also. And an average, if I'm taking an average salary, fresher level, if I'm talking about the fresher level, minimum 10,000 to it will continue 30 to 40,000 as a fresher level. As a fresher level, you will be getting started your salary from 10,000 to 30 to 40,000 as a fresher level. Experience level, if I'm talking about experience level, assume that you got any 3 years experience. If you are 3 years experience, if you are any 3 years experience, you can get in a minimum salary of 4.5 lakhs per annum, or you can say that 5 lakhs per annum. Minimum salary, I'm saying that if you're having with the 3 years of experience, there is a possibility very easily you can get in a 5 lakhs here. And when you compare with any other testing, any other training program, this testing will be very easy to learn. And no chances of you need to be work for late nights. Very rare cases based on the clients, any emergency releases are there, you need to be work for late nights. But in general, maximum night shifts will not be there in the testing job here. Okay, right. And if you take with the testing career, you doesn't require an academic background. This is how you will be having the different type of designation. Software test engineer, after that senior test engineer, after that test lead, test manager, senior test manager, associate director, and then vice president. It's not like only these designation, even after vice president also, we are having other designations are there, but at least these are the some common designations in the testing. It's not like everyone will get same designation. Company to company, project to company to company, the designations will get vary, but in common, these are the some of the designations we will be having. So this is how the testing career growth will be there. Okay, right. So this exactly I want to be given information as a software tester and then taking with the developer. So based on this information, you guys can easily decide either you need to be get started your career as a developer or tester. Okay, right. So up to now, all the people are very clear. Okay. Perfect. So now you guys can come up with all your questions. I will address all your questions. Anyone, all the people, whatever the questions you are having it, you guys can ping me in the chat window. One by one, I will answer for all the questions here. Certificate to give this course perfectly. So from the Naresh IT, you will be getting with the course completion certificate. Once you have been completed with the testing program perfectly, then you will be getting with the course completion certificate will be provided. Okay. What will be the future scope of software testing as the AI, ML coming into the market, right? AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning is came into the market. That is okay. But machine learning means you are doing with the programming. AI also artificial intelligence, that is also you are doing the programming. But anything you are doing with the programming, obviously that has to be tested. See the simple logic, guys. So here where the people are confusion. Even though any technologies came into the market, any automated tools also came into the market, it's not like automatically it will be doing anything. It's need to be get tested here. Testing is mandatory. Even though machine learning came into the picture, with the help of machine learning, you are developing it. But finally, it's need to be get tested. Tested means tester has been required. So that is the reason testing market always it will be there. There is no concept of testing market will get reduced. But you guys need to be come up with learning with the new tools related to the testing. Like manual testing is always doing manually, but automation testing means need to be done by the tool. Like manual testing means I have to be open the browser, I need to be enter the URL, I need to be enter username, I need to be enter password. But automation testing means the same activity will be done by the tool. So tool will automatically perform all the things. For that, we need to be write basic programming that will be getting learning as part of automation training program. So currently the huge demand we got in a Selenium tool. Previously we got in a market for QTP. When I done my testing program, I done the QTP tool, but the now market is running. We got in a very huge jobs on Selenium. That is the reason you will be learning with the Selenium or you will be getting trained on the Selenium tool here. Okay. Right. As a fresher level, which is better, tester or developer? That is what I'm clearly saying that anyone, if you guys are interested in programming, if you feel that you are very comfortable in doing with the programming coding in a better level, go for developer level. If you're not comfortable with the programming, forget about you guys are BTech or degree or CSC, non-IT, whatever it may be. The simple understanding. If you're comfortable in programming, if you feel that you are very much interested in doing programming, go for developer perspective. Otherwise, testing is the only one part. Okay. Right. So government certificate is not like that. You will be getting with the course completion certificate recognized by the institute here. Okay. So that related to the certificate, you can cross check with the institute. You will be getting with the more details. Okay. So what work we have to do in automation testing? In automation testing, you guys need to be do some basic programming. In automation testing, you guys need to be do basic programming in getting performing with the activities. An example, if you want to be sure that how exactly automation testing will be done. Okay, so how exactly automation testing will be done is just I will give in a demo, very small thing I will give in a demo, you will get understand. Freshers also we have in a very good market. If you guys refer with the Naresh IT, just you guys can go to this Google. Okay, guys can go to the Google and you can type as in Naukri also you can type as a testing jobs very well. You can know how the market is there for the testing for fresher level, experience level. Very easily you can understand. Okay. Any course on Python developer? Yeah, Python is also different course, and then taking with the Java is a different course, which is related to the development. Okay. Diploma, can I got any job? Yeah, diploma is also okay. For doing with the testing training program, we doesn't require any BTech or anything. Any normal degree is also okay. Any normal degree is also okay for doing with the testing training program. Okay. Right. So what exactly mean by automation testing is, now we can see here. Just we written the basic program here. Just I'm running it. If I run this program is written by using Selenium tool. Now we can see what Selenium is doing. So what Selenium will be doing is, it will be getting opening with the browser. Okay. It is opening with the browser. It is entering with the username, and it will entering with the password, doing with the logout, and then close the application. Everything tool is doing it. Manual testing means we have to be doing. Automation testing means tool will be doing it. So that is what the meaning of automation testing. Okay. This course is free or payment. Related to the free or payment, you guys can connect with the management team. Those guys will be helping us. 2020 pass out is also okay. Any year of pass out doesn't make any problem in doing with the testing course. Any kind of the people doing with other IT jobs also, non-IT jobs also, if you are interested in coming into the IT industry, spending some time in doing with the training program of the testing, very easily, you can join this course here, where I can do software testing training program. You can call to management number Naresh IT. You can in just Google type as a Naresh IT. You will be having with the management number will be there. You can call to this particular number. You will be able to get provide with the details related to the testing. Okay. So you are having Naresh IT Technologies. Just you can type it, or else you can go to this one more. You got any new batches here. Just you can call to that people, ask that related training program of software testing. They will be giving the details. Live projects also added. As part of testing, what are the things you will be getting learning that you will be getting discussed as part of training program. Okay. Is there any different tool for different languages? No, it's not like that. Now assume that if I'm taking with the Selenium, if I'm talking about with the Selenium, if application got developed in Java, application got developed in .NET, I can go with the Selenium tool only. It's not like for one Java, one tool, .NET is one tool. It's not like that. Okay. If not good in coding, then go to developer. As I said, you will get training. So beyond developer, as a fresher, we cannot judge the profile. So judging the profile is, I'm very simple. I'm saying that if you guys are comfortable in programming, go as a developer. If you're not comfortable in programming, go as a tester. There's a very simple understanding. Okay. Software testing is also good for tester. So Selenium, I told that is an automation tool. As part of software testing, you will be understanding about manual testing, and you will understand about automation testing. Okay. Explain about Selenium tool. Related to the Selenium, I'll be talking in the future sessions. For now, we can understand like Selenium is one automation tool for doing with the testing. Okay. ISTQB certification is not like mandatory. Previously, we got some preference for the certifications, but for the current market, it's not like that you require any certifications, not like mandatory of ISTQB certification. That will depends on the people interest. How much cost for testing course? That you can refer with the management team. Those guys will help you that. How about API testing? In testing also, there are a lot of things. Testings are there that I'll talk about in the different sessions here. Okay. Can we have any placements? Yeah. From the Naresh IT, we'll be getting with the placements. In testing, it is very easy to get in a job. It's not like more difficult. Just you have to be spend some time in doing with the practice and everything. Very easily you can get in a job here. Okay. So the people who got already got an experience of in other jobs like IT, non-IT also, you can continue in getting doing with the training programs, doesn't make any problem. Live project will be there. Live project will be provided as part of this training program. DevOps is not like related to testing. Again, DevOps also different training program. DevOps is different and testing is different. Okay. How the salaries will be there for testing job? That is what I'm saying, that in case of fresher level, you can start from minimum 10,000 to 30,000, you can get it. In case of 3 years experience, you can expect 5 lakhs per annum. Okay, 5 lakhs per annum. Okay. Testing, is there any need to create scripting? For testing, for manual testing, is it just normal English only? For manual testing, is it just normal English only? Automation testing, basic core Java knowledge has been required, that I'll be discussing it. Testing is always easy when you compare with Python or Java. Testing is always, it is easy. For 10th class, also can learn, but not like immediately getting into the job market. So to get in a job market, at least you require an A +3 degree, then it will become an easy to get a place into the job. Okay. So Java is related to the development. Java is totally different. Testing is totally different. But Java testing or Python, still we got in a good market for the Java testing here. Okay. Testing can be easily learned by the fresher level, or the people who got in a gap also can learn it. The people who got other IT experience, non-IT experience also can learn it. Anyone can easily learn the testing. DevOps training program is totally different. DevOps is not like related to testing. Testing is always very easy. Right. Yeah. How the current market of software. So because of this corona, don't get worried about on it. This is a temporary situation only. It will not affect the current job market. The people who got in a more than 10 years experience, 11 years experience, for higher level people, the market is little bit difficult, but fresher level at just 3 to 4 years, it doesn't make any problem. Nowadays, you are able to see some news also. Last week, IBM announced that they required a fresher level profiles. Before that, HCL has been announced. Lot of companies are there. To get any having with the requirement of fresher level. We don't have any prerequisite for learning the testing. To learn the testing, there is no prerequisite. How to get license? Selenium is freeware. There is no license. Selenium is a freeware. There is no license. Selenium is the tool name. Selenium is the tool name here. So Selenium is the tool name. Okay. Timings and duration. Timings and duration will be okay. Timings and duration will be discussed by the institute guys. You can call to management number. Those guys will be helping them. Better scope for the job of Java or Python, both are okay. That will depends on you guys. Python or Java, both are okay. For learning with the testing, it doesn't require any programming knowledge. Basic syntax has been required. That syntax also will be provided as part of the training program. Software tester is different, full stack developer is different. Software tester is different, full stack developer is different. Okay. Automation testing, what is mean by automation testing? What is mean by manual testing? I'll take in a different sessions, okay? Duration of the course will be like 2 months. Just you can plan like 40 to 45 hours it will be taking. Programmer, developer, both are same. Programmer, developer, both are same. Testing, you doesn't require any IT experience. Testing, you doesn't require any IT experience here. The people who are interested in doing with the training program, that is okay. Testing is very easy when you compare with Java or Python. Testing is very easy. Okay. If you have any backlogs also, for the time being, you can complete with the training program. After clearing with the backlog, you can start your doing with the job search. Testing is not like related to full stack developer. Full stack developer is totally different. Testing is totally different. Pay of 5 lakhs is for manual testing or automation testing, not like related to manual automation. That is a tester. It may be manual, it may be automation. That is a tester. As a tester, you have to be comfortable in taking with manual testing, automation testing. Yes, the people who are doing with the degree, completed with the degree, can do with the training program. So once your training program is completed, if already your degree has been completed, then you can start attending with the interviews. Which IT company is good for testing job? It's not like which IT company. Your requirement is to get in a job, to get in a salary. Any company is okay. Any company is okay. Nourish Technologies is an institute. Nourish Technology is an institute to get providing with the trainings here. Okay. Software testing cannot be learned by self-study. Manual testing you can learn by self, but automation testing cannot be learned by self. Yes, management number you can get from Google. So let me give a website also. This is the website. You can refer with the Nourish IT website. So you can go to this particular website. You will be getting with the Nourish IT contact numbers here. Okay. Big data ETL will not be come under testing. Big data is different, but ETL testing will come under testing only. Gap also we can fill it. The people who are already having some gap of 2 years or 3 years, we can fill that gap. Okay. So the people who don't have any experience also, you can start taking on it. For experienced people also can go with the testing. Okay. Java basics will be covered as part of the training program. Java basics will be covered as part of the training program. Okay. So related to the training program, when it will be getting started, just please contact with the management. Please contact with the management. It will be getting on it. Okay. So when batches will be started, when batches will be getting started. Okay. So when batches will be getting started, batch timings and everything. So batch timings and everything, right? Right. So batch timings, everything you can. Okay, so you can contact with the management. Those guys will help you that. Okay. Any more other questions? Let me give in a management number also. I will give in a management number also. Let me give in a management number. So that I'm giving in a management number is 82476. 82476. 82476-011. Okay, 82476-01157. This number you can contact it just to understand when batches will be getting started. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. So this is the management number. Let me ping you the management number. This is the management number. I given the management number. You can contact to that number. When the next sessions will be started, timings, everything, you can ping to this number, you can call to this number, you will be getting it. Okay, so you can call to this number, you will be getting it. Non-IT experience will not be considered as IT. Non-IT experience will not be considered as IT. IT experience is totally different, and the non-IT experience is totally different. Okay. Any more other questions? I will be giving with the training program of software testing. From the Nourish IT, I will be taking care about in providing with the software testing. I will be giving with the training program. Fresher level developers also will have any good salaries also. Fresher level also have any good salaries. Job as a teacher, I will be talking about in offline. Job as a teacher, I'll talk in offline. Yeah. Okay, then. Still any more questions? If we don't have any questions, you guys can exit from the meeting. The people don't have any questions, you can exit from the meeting. Can I shift from test to developer? Definitely. Once you become comfortable with the testing, if you feel that you are very good at programming, then you can convert as a developer also. Okay. Right. So still any more other questions? For developer, which language is required? That is different again, because Java is a different developer, .NET is a different developer. Okay. So taking with the part, right, that is a different, right? So Java is a different, .NET is a different, SAP is a different, okay? Based on your comfortable. Right. Okay. It's not like an extension. It's not like an extension here. Today I have been just given information about with the testing. So the actual sessions will be conducted in the next week. Okay, the actual sessions will be conducted in the next week. Okay, so you can talk with the management team about with the date and timings. Any more other questions from anyone? Right. Which IT company good for fresher? Don't think about which company, think about getting the salaries or not. That is the important. Getting the salaries or not, that is the important. So don't have any degree means that will depends on it. Sometimes when you are attending with the interviews based on the companies here. We are going about Selenium. As part of this training program, Selenium will be provided. Selenium will be given the training. Okay, guys. So if you don't have any questions, I can take with exit from the meeting. Okay. Any more other questions from anyone? Don't worry about programming to join as automation testing, that I will be taking care of it. As part of training program of software testing, you will be getting trained on programming also. Don't worry about on it. Okay. So related to the interview questions and everything that you will get as part of the training program. Right. So once you become comfortable with one automation tool, very easily you can work on other automation tools by taking with the simple understanding. Okay. Once you learn one automation tool, very easily you can go with other automation tools also. So after completion of the job, you need to be take with the job searching. After completion of this training program, you need to be attend with the interview as a fresher level or experience level. Then you will be taking with your job search activities. Okay. Right. No more questions, right? If you guys don't have any questions, I'll take exit from the meeting. Okay. Okay, then. Thanks for everyone. Thanks for everyone attending with this